Good morning, everyone. Today I am doing scraps to embellishments with Ginger and some other ladies. And you can, if you decide you want to do this, you can always sign up at Ginger's Corner on Facebook. I have everything linked below. There's also a link that will take you to everybody that's doing an embellishment and see what they're doing. And then they're also listed individually. So today's theme is Deck the Halls, anything to do with Christmas decor. And I had got this Temu die, and I just thought it was super cute. Because I love the old-fashioned lights, because you know that's what we grew up with. And anyway, my dad, he always had to have blue lights on the Christmas tree, which I'm so into that. Except for, it's like I never ever get that. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing them all, but it's like I would really like to do one just for me with just the blue. But I'm gonna be doing green, blue, yellow, red, and green, because that's what you usually see on them. So I'm actually going to ink them all first, because I did one where I inked it afterwards, and that was more difficult. Okay. And the die does cut out, let's see, it cuts out 3 separate ones and then the 5. So if you decide you want to do more colors, you just have to cut more of them. So I did. I cut like red, you know, I've cut some of each of them. But, oops, the wrong one. I like the green as the connector, or the wire, I should say. And so I do have that for all of them. And then I'm going to glue these other colors on that. And if I can hold on to it. Oh no, yeah, it looks like I got some color there. So I'm just putting some around the outside, just kind of gives it a little more detail. Okay, and then I need the blue. Oh, and I guess I still need red. Now this blue is not at all close to this color, but when I looked up the color of the blue Christmas lights, because I thought, what color are they? I couldn't remember, you know, because like I haven't seen the big ones where you can really tell the difference that it's blue. And they kind of looked like those two colors together, so I thought, oh, that worked perfect. So I like those together like that. So for the yellow, I used tea dye. The red, I used fire brick. The green, I used rustic wilderness, and the blue, I'm using tumbled glass. And I'm gonna take and do black soot to ink the wire to just give it a little more detail. I thought maybe the daubers would keep me from getting so inky, but I still managed to get very inky. So, okay. I think that's good there. I just think it gives it a little contrast. Okay. And it's a good thing I wore this shirt, because it looks like I already have ink on it. It's like, I'll tell you. between spilling smoothie on or splattering smoothie on myself and getting ink on myself, and you know, you cook and you get, you know, spattered, and it's like I try not to cook in my favorite outfits, let me tell you that. Okay. I wonder if using a tweezers would help. I kind of had a hard time picking them up and getting them lined up. Yes, I would say that definitely worked better. Okay. And now some blue, or some glue for the yellow and the red. I noticed I tried to glue them all at once and then the glue just dried, so I can't do that. And I probably wouldn't need to do a green one on the green, but I just think the added dimension I like the way it looks. Okay, and then let me close this up real quick, otherwise I might forget until tomorrow. Done that before. Okay, so I'm making a little, just like a little U in here. So it just kind of looks like the filament. And then I'm doing a little highlight. And I'm putting all the highlight on one side. It's really raining right now. I thought it kind of looked like that all day. And finally let loose. And so I'm doing like a little line. And a couple of dots. And that's it. I think they're so cute. It was the one die cut that I thought, it just made me think of being a kid. So thank you for joining me. And remember to go check out the other ladies that are making embellishments. And if you want to join us for the swap, or just to be inspired, stop on over at Ginger's Corner on Facebook, and she's also got a YouTube channel, so check everybody out. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Oh, I want to tell you that we've added people since we started this at the beginning of the year, so there's a lot more people to see what they're making. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll have close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.